Today, let's make a simple recipe of chickpeas stir fried. And it's very easy to make and very, very healthy. We need to just cook the chickpeas and it's easy, rest of the thing. So I've taken some oil, any oil of your choice. Let the oil become a little bit warm. So for this, what I've done is I've soaked the chickpeas in water and then boiled it, sprouted it a little bit. So I have the videos on how to cook the chickpeas, how to sprout the chickpeas, which I'm going to add the link in the description. My oil is warm enough. I'm going to add mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are very good for releasing gas. So if you're making something heavy, then add mustard seeds, curry leaves, asafoetida. All these are very good for digestion. It helps digestion process. So I'm going to add a pinch of asafoetida and our boiled chickpeas and just stir well for 2 minutes so that it gets mixed with all the spices. I have already added salt while cooking chickpeas. It was a little bit less, so I'm going to add a little bit more salt to this. Mix well, and now we are going to add freshly grated coconut. This gives a different flavor to this. This is freshly grated coconut. So after adding grated coconut, we are going to mix it again and cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes on a low flame because we don't want to overcook coconut. It will lose its freshness. So mix well and um, so now it's ready to serve. You can eat this as a breakfast or you can serve it as a side dish. Do make it and enjoy it.